OBS burnt down on me. I don't know what the heck is going on. Okay, well, I think we're going again. Stupid stream. But yeah, it looks like we're coming up towards that daily point of control here. Again, it's stopping out a lot of people. Again, open interest is decreasing here. Some longs coming in, but really not too many. It doesn't really look like absorption is really pushing this up either. But nonetheless, we're coming up towards this 21,500 level. Again, we're going to be looking for a short based off of that level. Yeah, I don't know what happened before. I've been having a lot of issues with OBS. So yeah, we're kind of back hopefully. Hopefully that doesn't cut out again. It's annoying. But yeah, we're just working our way up towards this 21,500 level. We'll see if we get a reaction, more shorts coming in, or people decide to short based off of that level. Again, time will kind of tell. And we'll see if this is really a fib level 2. So yeah, kind of a golden pocket level 2, just to be aware of. We might push a little bit through of that daily point of control, but that is okay. Hopefully we'll just see more shorts kind of coming in. Right now it kind of looks like a mini short squeeze happening, kind of the same thing yesterday. We'll see if it kind of turns out as yesterday. There's where we get this large move up, just stopping out a lot of people. So yeah, we'll see what the heck happens. So yeah, I'll just keep my eyeball on the shorts coming in. Right now, kind of rejecting in no man's land, which is okay. Some longs taking profit. A little bit more shorts coming in. Again, I do expect a little bit more of a push up. This still kind of seems a little bit early for a rejection. Just in my opinion, or from what I'm seeing too. But again, this is mainly longs closing out here. Again, I'm looking at this level right here. Yeah, I have no clue. OBS and this computer is not, they're not really good friends, per se. So yeah, we'll just be patient right now. See if there's any on-tap liquidity, daily liquidity here. Really doesn't look like it so far. But if we get a decent rejection here, there could be a possible 80% setup, as we are kind of at the previous day point of control. So we can work our way down again towards this 20,500 level, possibly. But a good take profit along the way would be definitely be this weekly level, as this was a sort of resistance for a little bit, and then we pushed up. We'll see if we continue a push up or not. But I'm kind of favoring, or it looks like there's going to be more kind of downside to this, so to speak. Looks like there's a little bit of buying going on here. I'll drop down the 3-minute time frame. Really, there's no like significant amount of shorts entering here. Could probably come down a little bit more, stop out some longs, and then continue up a little bit. Again, this whole move seems pretty weak. And there's not really absorption going on with, as noted with the CVD bars. So just keep that in mind. I hope everyone can hear me right now. It looks like it. Been having a lot of issues with OBS. So wouldn't surprise me if I've been talking for, I don't know, what is it, 8 minutes now, but it looks like my sound is on, so that's a good sign. Again, kind of looks like price is kind of staggering right now. So yeah, below us, there's not really any new dailies per se. Possible one right here at around this old golden pocket. But there might be one here, but I don't know if I'm too comfortable marking it out due to the fact that we did get a sort of a quick wick to the downside right here. So that might not be of significance. Okay, some more shorts stepping in right here. Longs getting liquidated here. Looks like people who longed into here, as noted by the open, slight long, net long increase here, and a whole bunch of buying imbalances. Looks like they're getting stopped out now, as noted by the wrecked bubble. Yeah, it looks like a medium-term player, I'd say, got stopped out and liquidated. So that means price could probably pump up here, as we're kind of at a daily value low. But who knows, we might continue dropping down. I was really kind of hoping for a clean rejection off of this daily point of control. That way I could have had a good entry on a short or whatnot, or a good entry on a trade, so on. Okay, good to hear. The sound is working. Good. Thank you guys for letting me know. So yeah, this looks like a whole bunch of longs are closing out. Some shorts coming in. Volume picking up a little bit more, as noted by the footprint bar here. Kind of broke this low. We'll see if this sort of low holds. I don't think there's too many buyers in here. We'll see if they kind of step up. Again, if we just kind of look at our buying tails and selling tails. Wow, okay, so earlier there was a buying tail in this sort of range. Now it kind of went away. So once again, I don't trade just based off of buying tails and selling tails. It's just another extra confirmation to really be adding on. But this was a single print, I suppose. Tiny single prints, so I don't really bother trading these. Kind of looks like we broke through this single print. This one probably won't really have much significance, as it is a row size of 3. So in that case, possibility of continuing to the downside at the moment. Show market cipher setting. Market cipher B, I take it. I mean, there's not really much settings, but I guess is this if you want. Yeah, I don't really use market cipher B anymore, but I have a lot of videos on it. I was using it a lot. Yeah. Hopefully you got that. Yeah, there's not really long stepping up defending this level so far. Maybe a little bit opening up here. I want to see more long stepping up though. Again, there can be buyers who quickly come in and then they'll kind of panic out and sell their position. So just be wary of that. I wait for the candle to close and then I react accordingly. Looks like we do want to pump up a little bit. Still no signs of absorption going on here. You want to see the CVD coming down a little bit lower and a lot of shorts stepping in. Just at this micro support. Could be a good scalp possibly. So far so good, as there's buyers stepping up. I'll take a peek at the selling tails. Still no sign yet. This might not be the strongest support. So overall volume is decreasing just from this move down. There was 13 million, 8 million. Right now there was 7.5. Still a decent amount of volume. Right now it does look like some buyers are coming in. Again, I'll kind of wait for this candle to close. It's usually about the time we look for a market structure change. Good amount of buying down here. Yeah, it won't show me the source code on Market Cipher. It's a hidden script. So yeah, we're possibly pumping up a little bit more. We'll see if this really holds. So far so good, I guess. Volume is dying down. So yeah, we're getting a good amount of long stepping in here. This were probably a good scalp. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a long here. Easy invalidation on this. Validation would be right here. It's a little bit more riskier, but I don't know. We might lose this one. I might lose this trade. But here's what I'm sort of looking at. 2 to 1. There's not necessarily shorters coming in. There's shorts down here. Might be some trap shorts even. I'll kind of zoom in a little bit more here. Yeah, there were shorts entering up on the bottom here. I don't know, this is a riskier trade. Take a peek at yeah, still no really sign of a buying tail here. Still a poor man's low. I don't know. I might actually be losing this trade. Yeah, shoot. There's short stepping in. Yeah, I'm gonna close this. I was kind of hoping for a move up. Yeah, we're gonna lose this. Fridays haven't really been doing it for me. How's it going, DOD? Yeah, there's a buttload of shorts coming in. Can probably don't know. Can probably kind of short here, but I'm not going to enter a short. This support has been tested roughly 3 times now. Got an eyelash. So yeah, lower we go. Looking around this 21K level. Still really no signs of absorption going on. Again, this is like a double bottom. Typically want to see it a little bit higher. Price holding a little bit higher as CVD's making a lower low. Yeah, I entered a long, but I closed it too soon, and then yeah, I tried to enter a short just in here. It was going good for a little bit. It was really close to taking my first profit one, but then we decided to move up quickly and got stopped out. So I don't know, quite amazing here. Large volume spike right here, and then sharp into resistance. Price is still kind of deciding what it wants to do. Some of this is shorts closing out, taking profit. So yeah, right now I'm not really too hopeful of a move up here. Still a downtrend. Take a look at the 4-hour. Four-hour just had monster volume coming in here. Now it seems like a negative delta is kind of picking up a little bit. Volume kind of fading away though. So again, the trend for this is kind of weakening. A lot of trapped alongs up here. Who knows, we might get a move up here. It doesn't really look probable. CVD is kind of going with the market right now. So I'm not necessarily like taking a trade here. I thought we were gonna pump up here. This looked pretty good, so I entered into here. Then we quickly kind of started dumping down. And then we got a whole bunch of stacked shorts here. But we could, I don't know, it could be the same thing as yesterday where we get those tiny short squeezes again. We just keep on squeezing up. It's been interesting market behavior. For the heck of it, let's just take a look at the FTX. We'll take a look at this. Wow, large OI decrease here. It is the data is a little bit different here. Who knows? Maybe I'll start using the FTX data just to trade on Bybit. Again, these are massive amounts of longs closing here, it looks like. Still no really long stepping in here, it looks like. It's definitely different data, that's for sure. Different data on this order flow. Still a good amount of buying imbalances here. That was on Bybit. I'll go to the Bitcoin pair. Forgot what tick size I use. 40. Wow, whole bunch of delta in here. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't have closed on my trade. So many people have been talking about like FTX. I don't know, maybe I should start using the data more compared to Bybit data. Surprised it'd really make a difference though. Bybit does have a lot of volume traded in it, and FTX I'd say is more low volume traded exchange. But maybe the tide's upturn. Again, the market changes a lot. So, who knows here? Well, we'll see what sort of happens. Again, I have my plan to short at that daily point of control. Maybe get a Friday dump down or not. There were some shorts coming here. Wow, that's explosive. A lot of buying in here. Maybe I'll re-enter. I'm not really seeing too many confirmations here. This overall delta is increasing, however, volume is still relatively low. But again, we'll kind of look for that level again. I don't know, guys. We'll pray for this one. So far, so good. This is, I don't know, still a lot of kind of absorption going on, but again, CBD can be misleading at times, so just be careful there. But overall, a good increase of longs here. Not too many I want to see though, so I'm just being cautious with this one. Being very cautious here. Still no really sign of a buying tail here. Micro rejection off of a golden pocket. Jeez, I'm flopping and groping here. Still a lot of buying delta in here. Which is sort of bullish. Just whenever you see a ton of delta or positive buying delta on top here, on top of the candle, typically leads to a move up. And then when you have a bunch of typically more selling on the top of the candle, typically leads to a move down. Not always though, just from what I'm noticing by using the delta charts. So again, the delta charts are still a work in progress. We'll see if they do me well. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? My trade is still kind of underneath water. But yeah, it's just been weird market behavior. Mainly short squeezing. A lot of squeezing going on. Now this is a little bit more riskier since volume is pretty low. Surprised not more people are watching right now. Oh well. It is a Friday, so be it. Anyone new watching right now, feel free to check out the playlist, link in the description. And then I have a Discord, or a member of the Discord, and that is in my About section. So again, just feel free to check out those things. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm taking a cautious long right now. Again, I'm not it's not really the best long, so just be cautious. This can still go south on me. Again, this is really low volume right now, but kind of my reason for it is looking at the 5-minute here. We see kind of volume decreasing here. So on this section, 20 million volume. We go right here, 11 million volume. Hopefully you guys can really see my mouse here. But yeah, I'm mostly scalp trade. I don't really necessarily swing trade, but mainly I do kind of execute all my trades on the 5 and 3 minute. Only the 5 minute as a beginner. When you're kind of getting a feel for this, I recommend kind of using the 15 minute as I guess more, the higher the time frame, the more reliable, and the 15 minute does a pretty good job of kind of doing that trading. So as noted here, good amount of longs that stepped into this candle here. We'll see if that kind of holds. Still a good amount of longs in here, kind of at the low that entered. So I think there's buyers defending the low here. Again, I could easily be not wrong. So, not financial advice. So, just be careful. Trade accordingly. Just looking at this. This is being kind of speculative at the moment. 22,000. Could still possibly come up to the VWAP here. It's kind of pushing it. I am looking to lock in my trade here at 21,500, as noted. Oh God, had the magnet tool on. So really possibly take out this wick right here. Yeah, there was a lot of shorts in this candle, so maybe we could push up a little bit and stop them out. Again, that would kind of be the same thing that happened to us yesterday. But really no certainties with that. Yeah, no problem, Jens. Cool, Belgium. Yeah, I'm trying my best. Again, sometimes I have audio issues and sound issues. OBS doesn't work sometimes, but we're pushing through. We're pushing through the low budget YouTube channel. Hopefully this long can push through, man. But welcome to the channel, anyways, Domco and Jens. I'm really bad at reading names, so sorry if I say your name wrong. But hopefully we push through here. Again, this is really iffy. The only thing that's making me sort of confident in this is the delta. I'm going to see more volume kind of picking up. Hopefully we can get that, and then we'll see a good push up. So far, so good. Squeaky chair. Share my video around here a little bit. Hopefully the stream doesn't cut out on me. So far so good. It really stinks when it does, because all the people joining in from the links, and those links will be kind of old, so. Overall, looking good. Delta. Buy trades too. Again, I don't really pay too much attention to buy trades and sell trades, but thank you, I appreciate it. But overall, I'm seeing more buys down here. Again, it's not the only factor that I use to enter a long trade or a short trade. So, darn. I shouldn't have panic sold, but again, the market does what it wants. Again, CVD is still kind of itching a little bit higher, so there are a longs opening here. Hopefully there's not a big limit order here. I don't see why there would be. We did crush through a golden pocket, just very locally golden pocket. Right now we're kind of in no man's land, so I don't really see a reason for a large player to really put a limit order here to kind of stop price. But again, really no certainties. So yeah, now we kind of wait. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. So far, so good. Mainly looks like a stop loss hunt. There are some shorts coming in, but not a huge increase. I still think we can come up here and stop out these guys in this candle. There seemed to be a good amount of shorts who entered in at around the 21,500 level, give or take, sort of range. So we'll just keep on chucking, I suppose. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm glad it's making a difference. But yeah, appreciate it. From Brussels. I wonder where that is. Wow, pretty cool city. Big castle. Good volume is picking up. Good to see, good to see. Oh, it's in Belgium too. Alright, cool. Let's see if we kind of pick up a little bit more here. Almost hit our first take profit one. Yeah, it's a lot to handle at first. Just take it little by little. Again, just go to the 15-minute time frame and just kind of work your way off of that. But we're approaching our first take profit here. Let's see if we can push up a little bit more. Come on, Bitcoin. We'll see what Solana's doing. Again, Solana's not really any support per se. It's good to see the weekly level being respected somewhat though. Again, it kind of looks like it whenever someone who would try to short this, they get stopped out right away. As noted by this large wake up, it seems. But so far so good on Solana and Bitcoin. Okay, my first take profit one is hit. I'm locking in this trade. Good trade so far, guys. Good trade so far. Again, not financial advice for purple trade purpose only. We don't use real money. Yeah, it happens a lot. Just be really careful on Solana. Yeah. I need some more fellow Solana traders here. We're gonna crack this cookie. I'm trying to build a community of Solana traders. I like Solana a lot. I think it has a pretty good fundamentals behind it. Still seems we're going to crush through this. A lot of volume picking up. Delta increasing. Good to see, good to see. Trading Atom. Yeah, I know a few people who trade that. I haven't taken a single trade on this. We'll take a look at this. A lot of wiki price action. Typical for a small alt, I suppose. We have a daily right below us here. I'll do some quick analysis on this guy. Daily right up here. Ooh, never mind. I'll delete it. Daily right here. So I'll just do some micro analysis on this. I could really go all day on this. So we got a weekly level down here. And then a weekly resistance way up here. Take a look at monthly. Monthly level, this has probably been tapped already. But we'll take note of it. Can take a look at a 4 hour. Or should I make my 4 hour red? We'll make it red. Very, man, it looks like it likes to stop loss hunt a lot. But of course, this is Binance. I think Binance is going to get into some serious trouble for stopping out people like scam wicks. I'll just go to the Bitcoin chart of Binance. I've been seeing it on Twitter where we get these sharp moves down. I guess it's not really noted in here. It's like this right here, Scamwick, stopping out all these shorts who came in here, and same as this too. This just stops out all market participants, really. And just really looking at this too, a lot of wicks, not really like bodied candles, I guess. Not really thick candles, I'd call it. So, again, I don't really like Binance, but yeah, it's tricky. It takes a lot of patience, man, to really crack the cookie. So, anyways, looking good. Again, we're stopping out some people here. Large decrease in shorts here. Kind of feeling the market a little bit more. Is this the previous day point of control? Can't really see. We'll see if we take more profits out right here. Otherwise, I am looking to take out profits at this VWAP. Just looking at this on the kind of overall view. Usually want to see a retest of a VWAP. It hasn't really been retested in a while, or hasn't really returned to the norm. So I kind of want to see that as a sort of resistance. So far, so good. I'm not really looking to take out any more profits with this. As volume seems like it's picking up pretty well here. Yeah, you got to really be careful with those small cap outs. Yeah, you got to really be patient, kind of back test it. You really have to be speculative for like a month before really trading these guys. So yeah, just be careful. Volume picking up even more. Phew. Some longs taking profit here. Again, it'd be cool to see it come up towards the VWAP and then get a rejection off of it. This is a previous day point of control. There's not really shorts coming in. I think we go higher. Do I use TPO as much? Not really, no. Maybe I should start using it more. We do have a naked session at 22,000. So far, so good. But I do keep my eye on using TPO. I do check it like daily, at least. I'm just not, I don't know, what do you call it? I guess I'm not loving it as much. I do like it. I just use a different style, I suppose. Let's see if we get a little bit more of a push into that VWAP. looks like a lot of longs kind of took profit here. Volume's still looking good. Still a ton of volume delta. We'll see what happens. Again, I wouldn't really be comfortable shorting this right here. I think we do continue higher a little bit. We'll see if the VWAP holds or not. But volume is picking up here. Yeah, I like footprints a lot. Again, footprints are more for scalp trading, I'd say. But sometimes those scalp trades can really turn into swing trades. So again, that's just kind of how I trade. I don't know, guys. It looks like we can bust through this VWAP. I'm not really seeing a slowdown of the power. People are still kind of FOMOing in. Yeah, they're delta clusters. God, there's still a lot of longs coming in. This is kind of the test of time. Looking down here though, good volume. I mean, have you seen, I have a playlist all on it. I have, what, 13 videos? Yeah, I can't remember which exactly video, but I do have videos going over them. Again, they aren't the most fun thing to learn, but it's out there. We'll see what happens here. It's been weird. It looks like shorts will come in, but then they'll like quickly dissipate, and then price will pump up a little bit more. It's definitely kind of different market behavior than what I've been kind of used to seeing. There's not really shorts stepping up though. So I say we kind of go higher. Again, I'm not really certain on that, but volume is looking good. Yeah, no kidding. Normally I'd be listening to music right now during trading, but I don't think you guys would like my taste in music. So yeah, more shorts getting stopped out here into the VWAP. Again, we'll see if this is a resistance or not. It looks like more longs. Not a significant amount of longs, but it looks like more longs are stepping in too. So yeah, good pump up. Please like the video if you got into this trade with me. But yeah, we're just chucking up. We're just gonna keep on going. We'll see how high we can go here. I'm thinking kind of 22K-ish, but I'll kind of hold this open. Again, it's just, we're stopping out a lot of shorts. There's people who are shorting everything, just as noted by like yesterday, up here. I was really looking to short this, kind of my psychology of it. I was really looking to short every single kind of move up, but again, just noting by what I've been noticing with the order flow, I'd see shorts coming in and then they'll quickly get stopped out. A good way of noticing this is kind of seeing this, where we get a kind of a slowdown, shorts coming in, and then boom, we'll just bust through them. So it's been very interesting market behavior in that sense. So this is the previous day value area high. Kind of glad I got into this long. To be honest with you, I was expecting us to come down from here. Only time will tell. See here, we're not really in major fib territory right now. This is a resistance nevertheless. Still a lot of longs. So if we do bust through kind of this 22K level and this 22.5K level, I am looking up towards 23,650, and this is like the ultimate test of time. I think if we break through this 23,650 level, it could be quite an explosive move up. But again, that 23,650 level is a strong resistance to be aware of. So again, all right here, this was a fast move down. So if we kind of break through that, vice versa, we get a fast move up per se. And really the next zone of resistance would be this 29K level that I'm looking at. Again, I could be wrong doing this, but that's just my future kind of plans of what's bound to happen maybe. Volume kind of decreasing here. Still a lot of longs coming in. I'm curious. there will be stacked long or stacked shorts coming in, and then they'll quickly kind of dissipate. So it's very, very interesting seeing that. So I think a lot of people are getting wrecked. Pretty large 1 hour candle. Kind of at this point, I'm kind of itching towards this 22.5K level. I don't know how much longer I'm interested in really holding this long. I get really iffy during holding positions during, especially when I've entered on like a Friday, Thursday sort of deal, and then holding them over the weekend. Most of the time I get stopped out, even when my stop loss is in entry. So most of the time I just fully close out of my long position. So far this looks like I kind of want to short it. Kind of looks like a short opportunity. I'll go back to the 3-minute here. Wow, still long's stepping in now. It's insane. So the stop loss hunt, the push up continues, I think. The VWAP seems to be kind of holding. There are shorts in here. Looks like still bulls are in kind of in control. this is looking here. Still some long stepping up. I think we go higher. Buying imbalances like crazy. It's weird, it's like a mini 1 minute bull flag. Shorts are closing now. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, I retested this daily again. Alright, there's a good amount of shorts coming in here now. This candle. Let's stop out some of these shorts here. We just keep on chucking. I think we still keep on going. This might be a reversal. Again, I'm like double thinking myself at this point. Looking at this thing for like constant 2-hour monitoring streak. It gets tiring. I don't really see any clear signs of a reversal, not gonna lie. It's really tricky because I'll see positions opening and closing really fast. Kind of hovering right now. There's a good amount of shorts in this candle. I don't know what to do. Our long's closing out. Yeah, I'm closing out my long. Unless we really start pumping up here, but volume is dying down. Yeah, there's, okay. Could probably keep on pumping from here. I'm not sure though. My brain kind of hurts. Wow. Again, this is a low volume move. I'm gonna see volume picking up again. We can still chuck higher. My brain kind of hurts right now though, guys. We're still going. Get rid of these old ones. Yeah, I'm not seeing any signs of this fully stopping. Again, it's really weird because there'll be like one candle where I'm like, okay, maybe a short reversal is coming, and then it'll just quickly dissipate. It's I don't know, the momentum is strong on this. I could see the S&P going a little bit higher. Take out this wick at least. Don't bet the farm on it. There's still some volume. This is gonna keep on pushing, I think. Test of time, this. We'll see if the sellers will defend this area too. But this is a really strong move. See, there's a lot of shorts opening up here, but then I saw the same thing here. See, a lot of shorts in here. Immediately gets all stopped out. And then buyers were people like take profits, and then we'll just keep on pushing. Right now we're not really at a resistance. So I think we're gonna keep on chucking higher. There's a load of shorts in here. I've never really seen this. We keep going. So, I'll probably get off now. Starting to get a headache. But kudos to anyone who took along here. Again, feel free to like and subscribe, and then check out my playlist. Again, really all free content. I think, in my opinion, pretty good content. So thanks for watching this longer streamish. Really 2 streams in one. So have a good weekend, guys. Again, just be careful of holding this trade open over the weekend. I don't know, it gets kind of unpredictable over the weekend, kind of messy. So take care.